Hmm. My friend. Nice to see you, friend. You're dead now. I don't have any more friends. But you like and subscribe. And then my friend is here now. Oh man, you not subscribe? What my friend? I can go sleep now, okay? And then you're subscribe, okay? Okay, I can go sleep now. Uh, what my heck is that? Oh, those granny call me. Oh no!